The Three Little Pigs by Twinkle the Original. Once upon a time, there lived three little pigs. One day, they decided to leave home and build houses of their own. The first little pig thought that straw would make a good house. The second little pig thought that sticks would make a fine house. The third little pig thought that bricks would make a strong house. The first little pig built his house out of straw very quickly, and he was very pleased with it. The second little pig built his house out of sticks very quickly, and he was also very pleased with it. It took the third little pig a long time to build his house out of bricks, but he was very pleased with it. One day, a big bad wolf came along. He saw the first little pig in his house of straw. Little pig, let me come in, he snarled. Not by the hair of my chinny chin chin, cried the first little pig. Then I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house down, growled the big bad wolf. So he huffed and he puffed and he blew the house down. The first little pig escaped and ran to join his brother in the house made of sticks. The big bad wolf followed the little pig to the house made of stick. Little pig, let me come in, he snarled. Not by the hair on my chinny chin chin, cried the second little pig. Then I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house down, growled the big bad wolf. So he huffed and he puffed and he blew the house down. The two little pigs escaped and ran to join their brother in the house made of bricks. The big bad wolf followed the pigs to the house made of bricks. Little pig, let me come in, he snarled. Not by the hair on my chinny chin chin, cried the third little pig. Then I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house down, growled the big bad wolf. He huffed and he puffed, but the house was too strong. He could not blow it down. This made the big bad wolf very angry. He climbed onto the roof of the house so he could crawl down the chimney. The big bad wolf was in for a big surprise. The third little pig had been cooking a big pot of stew and splash! The wolf fell right into the pot. The wolf was very shocked. He jumped out of the pot and ran straight out of the house. He never came back again. The little pigs lived happily ever after in the house made of bricks. The end.